Hi, I am Praveen Kumar, and in this video, I'm going to show you the power of artificial intelligence in writing the better email in Gmail application. Let us begin. Here we are in Gmail application. Click on the Compose button. Here I'm interested in using a new feature from Gmail that is Help Me Write. It works with the artificial intelligence. Click here. Let me ask write an email for my users to subscribe my channel. Click on the create button. Let us wait for the magic of artificial intelligence. Here we go. If you are not happy with this email, you can refine this email by using this option. Here we have four options: formalize, elaborate, shorten, and I am feeling lucky. Let me go with the elaborate option here. If you're happy, then click on insert button. If not, let us refine a little more. Let me formalize this one. Or if not, you can go with the recreate. This is how it works. Then click on insert. This email is inserted into the body. Then write the email address and hit the send button. In case if you don't find this new feature, help me write in your Gmail application. Here we need to sign up for the Google Workspace Labs. I'm going to share this link in the description. So you need to sign up for the Google Workspace Lab to get to use this new feature. Here you need to accept all these terms and conditions and click on submit button.